Hey eBay, today I'm showing you a Littlest Pet Shop digital pet. This is the monkey. It has those two buttons on the front, as well as this banana click is a button. And it also has buttons on the side. You need to use the food bowl and the brush to press in. All the buttons do work and the screen does work well. Unfortunately, the sound on this unit is not working, but everything else works fine. It does have a brand new battery in it. Comes with a little monkey figure keychain. And this is one of the later models that has those two little connectors there to connect to another one of the pets. And I think that's about it. Thanks for looking, guys.